Plattsburgh man arrested, accused of producing child pornography. Federal agents working in D.C. and the North Country tracked down and arrested the suspect, Heath Powers. Powers, we have learned, worked with area children at theater camps and the Red Cross. WPTZ's Allison Carey read the court documents all day and has more.
According to the criminal complaint, on August 11, 33-year-old Heath Powers was arrested for production of child pornography. Court documents reveal that days before his arrest, Powers was in contact with an undercover FBI special agent who is part of the Child Exploitation Task Force, or CETF, based in Washington. The agent communicated with Powers, who used the name Tim Zeal on a social networking site. The site is visited frequently by individuals with a sexual interest in children and incest, according to the agent's affidavit. The agent claims that Powers said he had 10 to 15 images to share but could take more pictures. Court documents indicate that the FBI received sexually explicit images from Powers on 2 separate occasions and just a few days apart. The CETF out of Washington then issued an emergency administrative subpoena to the site and tracked Tim Zeal's IP address. Public database searches led investigators to Plattsburgh. Federal agents who have offices in this building in downtown got search warrants for 2 locations in the Lake City. Those locations were not specified in the affidavit, but agents say at one place they found Powers. Agents also say they took Powers' iPhone and found numerous sexually explicit images of a minor. Then, according to the criminal complaint under questioning, Powers supposedly told agents that he had used the social networking site that they were monitoring, that his username was TT Zeal, and that he had produced and distributed sexually explicit pictures of a minor through that site.
We talked to Lee Mundy with the North Country Cultural Center for the Arts on the phone. She said Powers taught minors in their theater program years ago, and he hasn't worked with the NCCCA since then. As for the Red Cross, they tell us in a statement that Powers was a former employee of the organization and that they are cooperating fully with law enforcement requests regarding the investigation. The FBI is not connecting Powers' work with either of these groups to this particular case. Federal prosecutors are asking for your help. If you have any information, please call them at 1-800-CALL-FBI. I'm Allison Carey, WPTZ News Channel 5.